Welcome back to the Mortuary Assistant. I really don't know what to say about this video. It's, you guys seem to like the first small video that I made of it, and so I decided to make this one. Nothing much happened in the first video. We got a couple spooky different things, you know, but, not much happened, but this video is definitely an upgrade. I want you guys to know that. It gets a lot crazier in this video, plus a lot more of the story is told. So if you guys are looking forward to that, make sure to watch the video all the way through. And also, if you guys do actually enjoy this video, make sure to drop a like, maybe leave a comment on what your favorite part was. And if you guys do like this video and the rest of the videos that I make sure to drop a follow. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. It helps me, it's free, and it's overall just a good thing. Also, if you guys love to see these videos when they come out, make sure to hit that post notification bell so that you guys can see whenever I post new videos. Thank you guys so much for being a part of this whole journey that I'm really getting into now that I have a PC. It means a lot. Now let's get right into this video.
Wait a sec, I have another call. Hello?
Hey, Rebecca.
Oh, it's him.
Oh, hi, Mr.
Raymond.
Delver.
That's
Look,
his
if I
name.
did anything wrong today, just...
No. I wanted to apologize. I know it's late, but we just got 3 new cadavers, and no one else can make it in right now. I was hoping you could come in and take care of them.
Well, yeah. Are you sure? I mean, of course.
Oh, great. Middle of the night, we got 3 bodies to deal with.
Doing me a
Oh,
huge favor.
man.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Bye. Holy shit.
Oh, great. Head to the back. Get started. Whoopee. I don't want to do this.
Hi, Rebecca.
Mr. Delver, I need help. Someone's outside the mortuary.
Just try to stay calm.
Oh, hell
I
no.
know you're scared. I'll unlock the door in a moment.
What?
This is very sudden, but listen to me. We have to start right away. I'm sorry. I didn't know until it made itself known this morning that it was here, let alone bound to you. I had no way of knowing the possession had started.
What? Look, this isn't funny. Stop.
Dog,
Need to
what?
take this ser- Most bodies I work with at night are fine, so we stay calm, okay? We embalm,
No jump
file the
scare?
paperwork, everything. Treat it like a normal day.
Damn it, what the fuck?
Oh, and then they run
This is
away.
insane.
Oh, hell no. Riverfields Mortuary. Tape recorder, old key. All key. Why is there an old key? I don't even wanna, bro. Oh. Brother. Oh, hell no.
I'm fucking quitting tomorrow. I mean, who does something like this?
Gosh, dude.
All right, listen carefully.
Look, I'm sorry, but this entire thing is extremely unprofessional. If this is how you treat new hires, I don't think I can work for you. This isn't funny.
Rebecca, you don't have to believe me, but I hope you do before it's too late. The
Before
only way
it's
to
too
save
late.
yourself is to banish the demon before you're too far gone.
Oh, hell
To
no.
do that, the most important thing in the room is in that cabinet. Open it up. Good luck, Rebecca. I'm sorry this
Alright,
had
dude.
to happen.
This is insane.
Small cassette labeled 3, the process of possession.
At every moment, the demon is funneling its energy through you, weakening you, until you are unable to resist. Identifying a demonic entity is a delicate balance. The further you are from possession, the more time
Oh
you
my
have.
gosh.
The closer you are,
Old key? Aha.
Yeah, screw all of whatever this is. I'm getting back to work.
What in the hell? Small cassette labeled 2, tools of expulsion.
to banish a demon
Oh,
down,
hell no.
it must be bound to its chosen body and burned. The 3 objects in this cabinet are your tools. First, the clay tablet in the center is called a mark. Placing the smaller pieces in the correct configuration will spell the demon's name. Second, the The bottles on the top shelf are a special reagent that will react to the mark. Finally, the pieces of paper on the right are called letting strips. It must inscribe the sigils of its name in our world to begin the evocation. You will need to uncover these sigils to use them.
Letting shit. I just shit my pants. Oh, that thing, right? Yeah. Oh my gosh, bro. Pen and paper, right? How far one is slipped into possession. Tab is inventory, right? Okay, nothing's there. I'm sorry, did that say Santa Claus? It better not be Santa Claus, bro. It better not be Santa Claus. You know what? I'm closing doors behind me, bro. I ain't giving this motherfucker any chances, bro. Any chances. None at all, bro. None.
Hello?
I don't wanna. I just had a dead Santa Claus stare at me, bro.
There we go.
You better not move, dog. Open the door. Open the door. Go, go, go.
Time to embalm.
Yeah, how about no? I'm sorry, Santa. Oh my god. Sorry. Just go fast. Sonic, right? Yeah,
There
just
we go.
close that shit up, right? Cool, eye caps.
All right.
Close your eyes, Santa. Now I do the embalming shit, okay. Formaldehyde. It might be Santa Claus. Santa dog, if they do, you can't do that to me. That's not fair. You can't make Santa Claus the demon. That ain't fair, bro. There's methanol right there. Okay. Wait, didn't I close that door? Can. No, no, no. Oh, I gotta close that door. I'm sorry, Santa. Oh, I'm so sorry.
I'm missing something.
Forceps and then tubing. Okay, and then start this shit up, right? Engage pump. Yeah. Golly, it's so loud, bro. Turn off pump, remove tubes, close and oh yeah. I'm bad, Santa. You good though? You chill? You chill? I'm so sorry, bro. Hell no, I gotta go out. I don't wanna, dude. I have to go and get the cleaning fluid. Oh no, 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 no. Okay. Let's go. I didn't open that. Oh!
Can you help me?
Ooh! I don't want to help you. Nah. Do I actually have to go near you? No. Like, dog, what are you pointing at? Can I get my... What do you want? Wait, oh. Small photo. Front 1970. Oh, that's not good. No, we actually gotta be so fast. Just let me wipe your face, Santa. I'm sorry, brother.
All right.
Can I do that Q test, that little like strip test thing? Do I have to grab more? Oh, I do. Okay, okay, okay. No, it said don't trust it. It said don't trust it. You can fuck right off. I'm not answering that shit. I'm not. I'm not. Oh. Dog, that says slit your throat. No, 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 no. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Peace out. Oh, hell no. You already look weird, bro. I'm not answering that shit. I'm not. Okay, yeah. Age 73, my boy. He lived a good life. You grab more than one. No. 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 I have to go that way, bro. I have to go that way. Oh, hell no.
There we go.
Rebecca, come here. Come here now.
Nope. Nope. Go away. I can't run. Hell
Rebecca,
no.
come here.
I have to do this shit. Like, it genuine.
Mom.
Mom.
You stupid bitch. Hate me all you want.
Oh, hell no. Oh, hell
He's
no.
dead because of you. You should be the one here. Lifeless.
No, give me out of here. No. Just listen, homie, okay? I don't want to deal with anymore. Okay?
All right.
We don't gotta worry about any of that shit, okay? Speedrun this shit, bro. I just out of straight fear. Okay. Yeah, do this. Alright, bro. Just YouTubing. Hey, yeah, I'm the one that you wanted. Hey, yeah, I'm the super beast. Hey, oh. Hey, yeah, I'm the one that you wanted. Hey, yeah, I'm the super beast. I have to walk through that? Well, there's no, like, okay. Fuck I do to you? I don't deserve this. I mean, I am kind of pumping him with chemicals. Oh my gosh, bro. Holy shit. Oh. My moisturizer. Let's give you a good scrub down, homie. I got you. I'm looking out for you. Ooh, when I burn, fuel is pumping engines. Dude, Santa Claus is the fucking demon, I'm telling you. Ooh, when I burn. Whoa, hey now. Okay, it's like a Z. You're not gone, right? No. You're staying there. I put that there. Like a Z, this guy. I didn't do that. Just you wait until I get that mark, bro. No, like Like, dead ass, bro. Just you wait until I get that mark. I don't like this one. She already looking at me! There's all three. Oh, you got a lot of shit on you, huh?
There we go.
Oh, great. So, I gotta work fast. That. I hear it. I hear it. I'm not gonna say anything. 84. I heard you laugh, right? Like, I heard you laugh and I saw the lights. Okay? Okay. I didn't close that door. Oh, oh, hell no. No. No, 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 no. No. No, no, no. Yeah, it's some bullshit. Get me out of here. Oh, fuck. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Where am I? Where am I? Where am I? Where am I? No, 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 no. I'm going. I'm running. I'm running. I'm running. I'm going. I'm going. I'm going. Close that shit. No, 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 no. Come on. Go, 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 go. Run, run. Just run. Just run. Just run. Just run. Go. Get on. Okay, first of all, you suck. Second of all, whoever did that, your mom's a hoe. I go for the for needles. Did I make a reference in that? I honestly am like, my mind is way.
There we go.
First of all, I gotta grab you, and I'm also gonna grab one of you. Yeah. Don't do some crazy shit right now. Come on.
All right.
I need all this stuff. Okay. Oh no, 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 no! I'm hiding in the fucking corner. You my patient? I need. Okay, which way do I go though? Like that door's partially open too. Ah, fuck this.
No! I'm not going! I hate you! Please, don't!
What the fuck is this?
I miss you so much. I don't care about anything anymore. I don't want to be here without you. Please, just... I love you.
Somebody, get me out of here! They're gonna kill me! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Let me out!
I'm not liking this. I'm not liking this, chat. I'm not. Antidepressants. Medication used to treat depressive disorder. You know what? Take once a day with food. Rebecca Owen. Is that me? No, no, no. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Okay, bye. Oh. Okay, just start interacting with doors. Ease. High risk. Okay. Watch now, there's gonna be something wrong, right? Nope. I was gonna say there's gonna be someone standing right in front of it. Oh, you gotta be fucking with me, right? Like, no. Brother, are you just gonna sit there? No. 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 Am I even allowed to show that on Twitch? You know what? Like, Logan Paul moment, bro. Why does she have her arms out? I think there's someone hanging right there. Necklace. My dad's necklace. The dog tag? Oh, it's the cross necklace. And then a sobriety coin? Yup. My dad's 5-year sobriety coin. Oh, wait. They're talking about a dad? Wait, is this me? Oh, shit. Can I interact with you? Okay, I guess I can. Yeah, wow.
You should have died when you had the chance.
Whoa! No. Like, oh. Hello. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, hell no, dude. Yeah, that's really not good, dog. Open this. There we go. Come on. Come on. Okay, where? Right there.
The door's open.
Okay, it's like a 6. That, wait, is that 3 6s? Dog. I gotta add formaldehyde. Excuse me.
I can't use that here.
It's your grandma.
Oh, hell no. No, no.
I need you to let me in, sweetie.
No, fuck no, I ain't let you in.
Don't you love your grandma?
I do, but I ain't letting you in because you ain't my grandma. I can't close doors or nothing either. I'm not letting you, bitch. Fuck grandma? Nah, that's crazy. Real though. Right, miss. You're just gonna feel a little bit of a pinch here. Okay. I don't like that the music's picking up. Why is the music picking up, chat? No, not answering it. I'm getting this cleaner fluid. Oh, it's connected to all the phones. That's actually crazy. No. No. I'm gonna doll you up real quick. Real quick. No. 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 What's happening? What's happening? What just happened? Sit my ass into the computer? Dog! Sit my ass into the computer. Oh, hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Take mark. Take mark. You're getting your ass put in here, buddy.
You're wrong, you know.
That motherfucker talking. No, 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 no. Yeah, that's right. Get sent, bitch. I just called Santa a bitch. That's my bad. It's laughing. Oh my gosh! Oh hell no! No 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 no! Oh, his ass got sucked back in. Got him.
What?
Wait, what the fuck?
What are you? Oh no. You chose the wrong demon.
Oh no!
Rebecca's not here, you fucking idiot!
Worthless. Watch your flesh boil and drink it as it melts from your pitiful frame.
Oh shit! Oh, I did the wrong thing. Oh, I messed up. Oh my gosh! Ooh! Ooh! Oh damn! Toss his ass!